Hi everyone, this video is going to be about what you could do if you are someone who's suffering from bloating, and we will tell you why and how Ayurveda can actually help you. Now, bloating typically happens precisely because there is a Vata imbalance in the body. Now, what is a Vata imbalance? Vata imbalance is the air imbalance in your body. If you are someone who is, very anxious these days, or have high, dry hair or skin, or if you are someone who has difficulty and issues sitting at one place and concentrating, or if you are someone who's suffering from constipation, then you could be someone who has vata imbalance of late. Now, if you have vata imbalance of late, it's very obvious that you are going to have bloating, you will have indigestion and constipation. um, while this is something that can be resolved, let's have a look at what are those vata aggravating foods that you might be eating. Now, number one is dry or dry ingredients in your foods. Let's say dry fruits and popcorn. If you are someone who's eating things like this, you should definitely avoid. The other bit is having raw vegetables or uncooked food or frozen foods. Now, if you are someone who's having these kinds of foods on a regular basis, you should definitely avoid it for some time. The other bit is that you should have kapha and pitta balancing foods more often. Like there is ghee, there is a dairy, which includes your cheese, yogurt and milk. You can actually have a lot of wholesome foods that basically keeps the satiation in place for a longer period of time. Now, this is something that you could anyway do. Another thing that you could do, and is very very common for preventing and curing issues like bloating and constipation, is having fennel seed water after every meal. Now, you could actually add some ginger pieces and coriander seeds, and then boil the concoction in one a cup of water and drink this concoction after every meal. Another thing that you could do is have harad seeds or termillinia in the powdered form. Now, termillinia or harad is very very commonly available in the market. You could actually powder it, have 1 tablespoon of this with some lukewarm water after, say, 2 heavy meals of the day, maybe one in the morning and one in the afternoon or evening, and tell us how you feel. Thank you so much.